Fran, and this is Frantoku Demo. And today we're going to do is Captain Change Collection, the Kamen Rider Zest Technolum set. So here's the pack, and we got here is Zest in its Technolum form and the other forms. On the back is everything that you want to know about it, and most of all is the warning choking hazard. So with no further ado, let's begin. And here it is, that second form, which is Technolum Stream. So it still has this color scheme, which is blue and wave pattern in the chest, and same thing as moving parts. And now we're going to change one of his hands, and we're going to pop this off, and we're going to change it with the gripping hand. This is really hard to do, you know, guys. Okay, and now we're going to arm him with the Brickam Zester gun form. So we're going to place it right here, and we're going to pose him like that. Okay, so now we got here is Technolum Stream and goes bang bang bang. Next we're going to do is the Technolum Machinery. So all we have to do is we're going to remove the left arm, I mean the half of the arm, and we're going to insert this mechanical one. Okay, and there it goes. And the only bad thing about it is the claws are not moving. Next is the Technolum Projection. So what we're going to do is by inserting the shoulder cape through the hole which located on the back. So I'm going to insert like this, and there you go. Finally, the clone, which is summoned by projection, and to do that is by popping off or removing the driver. And we're going to replace it with this. Okay, and okay, and there you go. That's it for the Captain Change Collection Kamen Rider Zest Technolum set. So thanks for watching, and until the next demo, ciao.